Hi viewers, everything around you is mathematics. Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. Algebra, a broad field of mathematics, algebra is a fascinating branch of mathematics. It involves complicated solutions and formulas to derive answers to the problems posed. Here, we are going to see some applications of algebra. In architecture, architects depend highly on algebra to design the structures, inclinations, and identify the points to make right estimations for the base of the structure to be steady and safe. Outdoor landscaping. While designing a planter box, you will notice that algebra is required. First, you will measure the length, breadth, and height of the box. You will calculate the volume, the amount of soil or manure required, and the cost of this whole project. Health and fitness. Your knowledge of algebra can even prove beneficial for your health. The calculation of BMI is done with the help of equations. It's quite surprising that while on a weight loss journey, several equations are helping you in one way or the other. In the gym, while lifting weights, a trainer determines the amount of weight which a person can lift depending upon the latter's weight. In sports, if you look closely, the players of almost all the sports unintentionally apply algebra. The cricketers are able to hit sixes only because they are able to calculate the force required to hit the ball, and basketball players calculate the trajectory to score a point. In a similar fashion, footballers calculate the force and distance so as to score a goal. Moreover, you might be surprised to know that even dogs employ algebra to calculate the time and distance in order to catch hold of a boomerang or a food morsel midair. Cooking. You might that algebra has no role to play in the kitchen, especially while cooking. Algebra finds its ways while cooking, baking, measuring ingredients, etc. Algebra is widely used in business. For example, it can help you estimate the lifetime value of a customer. A business owner makes use of algebraic operations to calculate the profits or losses incurred. Good knowledge of algebraic operations is necessary to carry out finances accurately. Without algebra, we wouldn't have an easy way to figure out the area of the shape. For example, if you need to figure out how much paint is needed to cover a triangular shaped wall, you need algebra to figure it out. Rather than guessing and buying way too little paint, you will know exactly what you need. Mechanical engineers use linear algebra to design and analyze suspension systems, and electrical engineers use it to design and analyze electrical circuits. Aerospace engineers use linear algebra to enhance the images from space, and biomedical engineers use algebra to enhance X-rays and tomographs. Undoubtedly, almost every step will involve some algebraic equations. Thank you.